In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and customize a website using Weebly, a popular and accessible online platform. Whether you're starting a blog, creating an online store, or building a personal website, Weebly offers a range of tools to help you bring your ideas to life. Let's dive right in and get started. First, let's navigate to Weebly's homepage. You'll want to open your preferred browser and type in www.weebly.com. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the main landing page. Here, you'll discover a welcoming array of options and various features highlighted that Weebly provides. Take a moment to explore if you'd like, but when you're ready to proceed, let's head over to the login process. On the top right corner of the page, you'll spot a login button. Click this and you'll be presented with a few options to sign in. The easiest route is to log in with Google, especially if you're keen on reducing password clutter. Clicking on Login with Google will prompt you to choose your Google account, and with that click, Weebly will seamlessly sign you in. Now that you've successfully logged into your Weebly account, it's time to get your hands on your website. Look for the Edit Site button. It's usually located prominently on your dashboard. Clicking Edit Site will take you directly to the Weebly editor, your creative playground. Here, you'll have the chance to customize and design your site to reflect your vision. As you enter the editor, you might notice small pop-ups appearing. These might provide you with tips or guide you to new features. For now, let's go ahead and close any of these floating boxes by clicking the small X in the corner. This will clear your workspace, giving you an unobstructed view to focus on your site. Next, let's customize your fonts. Fonts play a critical role in defining the tone and personality of your website. In the text section, click to change the current font. Feel free to experiment by typing different font styles that pique your interest. Weebly provides a variety of options, so take your time to select one that best represents your brand or style. With your font chosen, it's time to give specific text that extra pop. Highlight the text you wish to emphasize and then click on the underline option. This simple yet effective step will draw attention where it's needed, ensuring important information stands out to your audience. Finally, to save all the changes you've made, simply click away from the text box. This action not only sets your changes in place, but also keeps your project moving forward smoothly. And there you have it, an introduction to getting started with Weebly. Happy building, and we hope your website reflects your creativity and purpose. Until next time, keep experimenting and embracing the possibilities with Weebly.